Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nvidia Corporation, and we all know the kind of quality the stock possesses and the kind of returns it has generated from the lows of 2000 to the highs of 2021, more than 100,000%. So it's a phenomenal stock, that the stock and the return is also the same. So let us now discuss about the current price action, because this is giving you an opportunity and that is very important. And when stocks like these gives you a big opportunity, what one must do is do not miss this kind of opportunity. So let us analyze this chart. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Let me draw you some important lines for you before start explaining the trend analysis. Okay, so this is what you can see as far as the big move is concerned. So you have one, you have two resistance, and then a breakout, and then a support in 2018, and finally a big move. If I may zoom this chart, so you may see that the correction has started from November 2021, where it hits the high in between $350 and $360, and right now it is trading at $185. So the next big support, and mind you that we are looking at the weekly chart, so it's not daily chart. So it's already been fallen from the highs, it's already been fallen like 49%. So this is a good amount of correction that this stock has shown. And right now, if the stock falls below $180, we will definitely approach the 200-day moving average, the similar lows that the stock has tested in 2018 and in 2019. Okay, so have a very good eye on this. Now, as far as the trend is concerned, in a very simple way, I'll try to explain what do we have as far as the trend is concerned. So what we are looking here, so this is the trend. Basically, this is the trend that we have in front of us, right? This is the trend that we have in front of us, and hopefully this is the upper end of the range, because we are analyzing the current range. So this is what we have. So right now, if we may see the trend, then the big support or your better buying zone will be $132. Now there is a condition that it may move down to 200-day moving average, which is now trading at $116. So our big support will either be the 200-day moving average or $132, whichever is lower. Okay, whichever is lower. Why I am saying this? Because 200-day moving average is relative and it will update based on the price action. So let's say if stock falls down and the 200-day moving average moves up like $133, $134, in which case 132 will be your big support as well as a stop loss on the downside, where you can think of buying. Okay, else you have your 200-day moving average. I hope it is clear for you. And in case of any bad scenario, okay, if you are thinking about any bad scenario will happen or worse scenario will happen, in that case the big support will be $44 on the downside. So this situation is just for the sake of information, and we are not actually looking for it right now, because we can't go for a bad to worse situation. The market is not in a phase where you can see a crisis like this, where the stock has fallen and the market will collapse. Okay, right now we do not predict those kind of situation. We'll see if there is anything, but in that kind of scenario, in doomsday scenario, $44 will be your big support. But right now we are more focused on $132 or 200-day moving average, whichever is lower. And as I told you, this level or the support level will become your better buy zone, so wait for that. And on the upside, the target that we are looking at on the upside is in between $490 and $987. This will definitely become a slow move. As you can see, the trend had just skewed, okay, within a range. So from 2015 itself, and the range is getting narrower year after year. So we will see what will happen after the next move. Either it will make a further up move or it will collapse. That is yet to be seen. But on the downside, you have this support, and on the upside, you have this range to look at as far as the big trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.